Oh yeah, see the smoke in there? I fried that thing. Whoa, man. Whoa. Jeez. Okay, kids, welcome back to the shop. Today what we're going to do is repair a LED light bulb. You know, times are tough. Things are getting expensive. So instead of just pitching this thing, why don't we repair it? I'm going to show you that it doesn't work. Now remember, all this stuff's going to be live. So here we go. We're going to plug it in. Be careful. And it doesn't work. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. See how easy it is to fix it? Oh, shit. Okay. So now let's hey, let's tear it. Whoa, let's tear it apart. See what we're in for. Unplug it. All right. Let's keep the levity to a minimal. Here we go. There we go. Okay, let's try this again. I don't see anything obvious here. We're going to test them, but... Okay, remember, we're unplugged. I'm going to plug it in. Okay, try the light. Don't touch anything. It's hot. So... let's all right, it's time to test. All right, guys, what we're going to do to test this LED is we have our voltmeter, and we're going to put it on diode. Right here, diode. Remember, LED, light emitting diode. So we're going to do a diode test. And we should be able to, we're unplugged. No power. And what we should do is be able to test these, go across each side, and they should light up. And as you guys see, it's not lighting up. Now, we know this thing lit. We saw it light. So not all of these are burned out. And if an LED is burned out, there's usually a black dot in there. So what I did, I cheated. I'm sorry, I cheated. I tested this a little bit off camera. So I have a set of new LEDs. Okay? And what we're going to do is I'm going to show you is we're going to test these. And this is kind of difficult, but they should light up. See it light up? See it? So that LED is good. And like I said, this is very difficult to do. I need to have some kind of little vise. That lights up. Hopefully you guys can see that. That lights up. Okay. So something's fishy with this. So what we're going to do is we're going to plug it in. And we're not going to touch anything. Because remember, we don't want to get electrocuted. And let's plug it in. And let's just push around. You see that? So I start pushing here. I'm just pushing on stuff. I'm not hitting the LEDs. You see that light up? Okay, so that's lighting up. I can't look at it, but it sure looks like everything's lighting up. And then look. So something, as I like to put it, something is wrong. So now what we have to do is we're going to tear apart, we're going to remove these screws and we're going to tear this apart to see what it's all about. The thing is, see, here's a new one. That's what it's all about. So maybe these stab connectors aren't working right. So let's unplug it. Right, we're going to play it safe. Unplug it. There we go. No power. Okay, let's tear this apart. There we go. Oh boy, we got more electronics. So I don't know what the issue is. Is it the connections down there? Are they loose? Or is it this stab connection? Or is it's this electronics? I don't understand why the diodes didn't light up when I did the diode test. They should have. Could that be that easy? But these should light up. This doesn't make sense to me. Yeah, this doesn't make sense. Look at that. So, what is going on? So I just pushed down on it. I can't see. So I just pushed down on it and it lit up. But why wouldn't they light up if I was testing them? Remember, I keep unplugging it when I start working on it. So I don't know if these things aren't making a contact. Just bend those out a smidge like that. Let's plug it in, and I messed it up. 120 here. Oh, did you see that? That ain't good. All right, we got nothing here. I smell electronics burning, and we are losing power. So I zooted something. Woo! Something stinks. So this should be, I would think this should be 110. I got nothing. So I must have really fried something. All right, let's see what kind of nonsense happened now. Oh, it stinks. Man. Oh yeah, see the smoke in there? I fried that thing. Whoa, man. Whoa. Jeez. I probably shouldn't be smelling that or breathing it. Either I fried this thing, or there's some kind of, maybe a fusible link down there. Whoa, I gotta get out of here. Well, there you go, kids. This video was supposed to be on how to fix an LED light bulb, and now it's how not to fix an LED light bulb. I have no idea what was wrong with this thing. This doesn't make sense. These things should be lighting up. I don't know why they're not. That doesn't make sense. I fried something here, which I believe what I ended up doing was when I was testing for power, I actually touched. And I zooted this. I heard it. And I think this thing here, I don't know what it is. Again, I'm not an electrical guy. So, anyhow, there you go, guys. This thing wasn't working. I got it working. Something screwy is happening. Again, these LEDs should be lighting up. You saw me do it here. Doing a resistor test. See how they come on. I can do it, so so again, this is not how you fix an LED light bulb. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.